Hi, in this video I will show you how to add text in Google VEO tree. So you can just access your Google VEO and from in there you can do these two methods. First, you can include the text in your prompt, which is the most likely way. So what you can do is you can just head over and describe the scene and then describe the object with the text. You can specify the object that the text should appear on, which can be a sign, a book, or shirt, and then describe the text appearance as this font, color, style, condition. So here are some example prompts. So for a movie title, here is an example. Cinematic opening shot of futuristic neon-lit city night with the words cyberpunk dreams fading slowly in glowing cyan digital glitch font. We also have for sign as well as for text encoding as well as screen displays. So for the second method, we have the post-production workflow. So in here, once you have successfully generated the video in VO, you can export the video and then you this video in order to add text using a video editor. So here are some suggestions. We have CapCut, we have Google Photos, iMovie, DaVinci Resolves, as well as some paid applications like Adobe. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.